Good morning children, this is grade 4 science class. Hope you all are completing your revisions. Now today we will revise the next two subtopics from block 2, how we breathe. So what is the next subtopic? S3, healthy lungs. What did we learn in this? How to take care of our lungs and how the lungs can be damaged, and the damaged lungs, how it affects to our body, and how to keep our lungs strong and healthy, and how it benefits to our health. So these are all the concepts we have learned in healthy lungs. Now what is the next subtopic? S4, air we breathe. So the air we are breathing, it's a mixture of gases. So which gas we are breathing in and which gas we are breathing out, we have learned in this air we breathe concept. So now let us read the lesson and revise our concepts.
Open your reader children, page number 18. Now let us read the lesson, healthy lungs. The lungs are the most important part of the respiratory system. Strong lungs are better at supplying oxygen to the body. Although lungs are normally tough and strong, we still need to take care of them. Common cold can harm the respiratory system. We can prevent common cold to a large extent by regularly washing our hands with soap. We should also exercise and play outdoor games as it makes our lungs strong. If you have asthma, you should follow the doctor's advice carefully and take your medicines on time. Lungs get easily damaged by cigarette smoke. We should avoid being near people who smoke. Air we breathe. The air we breathe contains nearly 1/5 oxygen and 4/5 nitrogen. The air we breathe out or exhale has more carbon dioxide than the air we breathe in or inhale. We can test this by breathing through lime water. The lime water turns milky after some time. The air we breathe out also has more water vapor. We can test this by breathing out on a steel plate. A patch of moisture can be seen on the plate. So here the air we breathe out contains nearly 1/5 of the oxygen and 4/5 nitrogen. So the air we breathe out or exhale has more carbon dioxide than the air we breathe in or inhale. We have a special flap of skin called epiglottis which closes the trachea when we are eating or drinking. This little flap makes sure that the food does not get into the lungs. So through the epiglottis we can see that the food does not get into the lungs. Even you have to learn the glossary children. Exhale to give out air and expand to increase in size. Inhale to take in air. Now let us see the practice questions. Look at the practice questions children. Today you are going to learn 5 to 8. 5th one, 6th, 7th and 8th. See the 5th one. Why should we not go near smokers? So why should we not go near smokers children? Because smoke from cigarettes and BDs can damage the lungs. Then how can playing games help our lungs? So the playing games make our lungs strong. Playing games will help us to keep our lungs strong. 6th one, why is washing of hands important for a healthy respiratory system? So we can avoid infections like common cold by washing our hands. These infections can cause damage to the respiratory system. So washing of hands can get rid from infections like common cold and these infections which cause damage to the respiratory system. So in this way it is important to wash your hands. So you are going to write 6th one. Why does the lime water turns milky faster when we blow air through it? So why does the lime water turn milky faster when we blow air through it? Because the air we exhale has more carbon dioxide. Here, the air we breathe out or exhale has more carbon dioxide than air we breathe in. So here the lime water turns milky after some time because it has more carbon dioxide. Is there a connection between breathing and Now look at 8th one, children. Is there a connection between breathing and hiccups? If yes, please explain. Yes, there is a connection between breathing and hiccups. How? Because the diaphragm, which is helping in regulating the breathing, which helping the lungs to contract and relax, when it is forcing the air out of the rhythm, so it leads to cause an hiccups. So definitely there is a connection between breathing and hiccups. Now in this you are going to write 6th one, children. Learn all this question and write 6th one in your revision part. One time in your classwork, children. Now let us see the workbook. Now take out your workbook, children. Healthy lungs. Today you are going to revise S3 and S4. Keeping lungs healthy. Our lungs help us in absorbing oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Exercise is very important for our lungs. Running, swimming and games like football make our lungs strong and healthy. We should breathe fresh air and live in a ventilated house. Common cold can harm our lungs and the respiratory system. Even we can avoid common cold by frequently washing our hands with soap. Here you can see healthy and smoker's lungs. Asthma is a disease of the respiratory system which makes it difficult to breathe. People who have asthma can breathe normally on most days, but they find it difficult to breathe when they have an asthma attack. If you have asthma, you need to follow your doctor's advice. We also need to stay away from people who smoke. Breathing in smoke from other people's cigarettes will also cause damage our lungs. Look at the first one, children. How can exercising help our lungs? Exercising makes our lungs strong and healthy. What problems will we face if we do not have healthy lungs? So what problems we will face? We are unable to breathe properly and we are unable to do our daily activities properly. So this one you write, children. Second one in your revision part. And smoking is harmful not only for the smoker but also for the people around the smoker. So explain the statement. Lungs get easily damaged by cigarettes, smoke, and we should avoid being near people who smoke. So you have to explain this statement, children, and write second and third one. Now look at S4, children. Even you have to learn the activity. They may ask you to write the prediction and observation. They may give the action, children. Now see the first one. How can we say that the air we breathe in and air we breathe out are not the same? The air we breathe out or exhale has more carbon dioxide in it. So the lime water has turned into milky. Now look at the second one. Why did the steel plate get a spot of moisture when we breathed out on it? So the air we breathe out has water vapor, the moisture content. So the steel plate gets moist. Now how do the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide change when we breathe in and when we breathe out air? So when we breathe in oxygen, the oxygen levels will be less, and when we breathe out carbon dioxide, the carbon dioxide levels will be more. So write this second one and third one in S4, and in S3 also you are writing second and third. So by this you are writing 5 answers one time in your classwork, children. So learn all the answers and practice the activity and read the lesson and complete your works, children.